So the next thing is computer science versus information technology, and we'll discuss careers, degrees, and more things about that. So you'll work with computers in both computer science and IT, but they are slightly different fields. Computer science and information technology (IT) are two distinct subjects, despite there may be similarities or many of the similarities. Generally, computer science refers to designing and building computers and computer programs. Information technology, on the other hand, refers to maintaining and troubleshooting those computers and their network systems and databases to ensure they run smoothly. So while working in computer science based job might mean you'll create software, design websites, or gather information on visitors to a website, or a career in IT can mean make sure computers are functional and secure. The line between IT and computer science is often blurry. Sometimes working in IT will require knowledge of computer science principles, and being a programmer will mean carrying out tasks that are considered more IT related. And sometimes jobs that are computer science heavy, like web development or software engineering, are referred to as IT work. All of this can lead to very understandable confusion. Here's the basic of what you need to know. Though there are many overlaps between computer science and IT, computer science work generally means designing and building computers and computer programs. IT works deals more with running with computers of the organization and make sure the related work systems and security are operational. Salaries range widely for both IT and computer science based jobs, with some average base salaries easily climbing over $100,000 per year. That's the year estimate. So, anyway, some entry level IT work that doesn't require a 4 year degree may have lower salaries as well. If you don't have a 4 year degree, it may be easier to start working in IT than in a computer based science based role. Computer science versus IT careers. Careers in both IT and computer science can take you in many directions, but they do have distinct paths. Jobs grounded in computer science will broadly mean working with programming languages or data to develop or improve products. Jobs in IT will focus more heavily on the operation of computers, their networks, and systems, so that others in an organization can do their work smoothly. There are several roles that might straddle the line between computer science and IT, like cloud computing or database administration. The next thing is computer science and IT salaries. Salaries for both IT and computer science vary widely. Jobs that require specialized knowledge to build, program, or maintain computers can require past experience or a degree, which can lead to high salaries because some generalist entry level IT jobs often don't require a 4 year degree. They may have lower starting salaries. Here's a sampling of salaries from various computer science and IT related jobs. So you can read more about what can you do with a computer science degree. Anyways, you can have a look at at these salary graphs, and let's have a comparison. IT skills and computer science skills. Here's a comparison of the things you might want to know as an practitioner or as a computer science professional. So computer science skills and the difference between the difference of them with the IT skills. So programming languages like Python, C++, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Statistics, algebra, and or calculus. Familiarity with code sharing platforms like GitHub. Understanding of the software development life cycle. Artificial intelligence methods like machine learning and deep learning, and tools like it's like Apache Spark and Hadoop. Data analysis and database tools like SQL, MongoDB, PostgreSQL, and Excel. Let's talk about the IT skills, which are programming languages, especially scripting languages like Python and PowerShell, troubleshooting methods, network configurations, security infrastructure like setting up firewalls and routers, ethical hacking or penetration testing, data administration skills like SQL. Now the question is, can I switch from IT to a computer science job or vice versa? Making a switch from a career in IT to something closer to computer science, or the opposite is possible. You should make sure that you have the appropriate skills to make the switch. If you want to become a front end engineer, for example, you might find programming languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript useful to know. You can get an idea of what skills you will need to for a new position by looking at several job descriptions. From them, you can take courses, enroll in a boot camp, or find other ways to gain the skills you need. So get started in IT and computer science. A degree can set you a solid path to being competitive for many types of computer-based jobs. IT jobs, however, particularly entry-level ones, might have less strict degree requirements. If you're looking for ways to break into IT without having studied at a college, you can look into getting an entry-level IT certification.